Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Milk Makeup Bionic Liquid Bronzer. I'm very excited about this product as not only is this the very first liquid bronzer I've ever tested, but also I haven't tested a ton from Milk Makeup and I'm very excited just to see how this goes. So this is a weightless liquid bronzer with skincare benefits that can be dialed up for a warm sun-kissed finish or sheared out for a soft diffused contour. So this has snow mushroom, reishi mushroom, and hyaluronic acid that help hydrate for plumper, smoother looking skin. It has plant-derived collagen that helps improve the look of skin texture, elasticity, and firmness. It is weightless, hydrating, 90% natural, clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. It builds and blends into the skin effortlessly for a healthy, natural-looking sun-kissed bronze that's glowy, not glittery. It has a gel cream texture that's easy to apply and layers seamlessly over other makeup. I haven't played with liquid bronzer before. I am a big fan of cream bronzer and contour, but never liquid. So let's just go ahead and see how this does. I am gonna use my sponge today. I'm a big sponge girl and I just feel like for my first time, I just wanna, So this is the packaging. Very cute. I do like Milk Makeup's packaging. And this is in the shade Time Travel. I'm gonna give it a shake since it's liquid. When I swatched it for the haul, it was like a little bit oily and I don't know if it's because I didn't shake it. Okay, so yeah, it's like a thicker gel almost texture. So you can see that's the shade Time Travel. That's the consistency. I'm gonna do a little swatch beside. So you can see it actually like sheared out a little bit. I really like the shade and I like the look of the formula. It looks very like seamless. Ooh, I'm excited. You know what? Let's just go right in. Let's just not be scared about this. I'm gonna do like some dots. And then let's just go in. And I am going to do it in kind of as my contour today too. So if it's really warm, then we'll just end up with a warm contour, but that's okay. And I'm going to build it to like a nice bronze, but it did say you could also shear it out for really subtle effect too. So I like that. It's supposed to be versatile. Sometimes when products are too pigmented and you don't have the option of shearing it out, it's not as, not everybody wants glam for everything, so it's nice to have the ability to build or shear out. So then it will kind of meet everybody's preferences. And I feel like my biggest concern would be that it's going to disturb the makeup considering it's a liquid. So I'm curious to see once I get kind of more up close what it's looking like laying over top of that foundation and concealer. I'm gonna do 1/2 so you can see the difference. We'll do a little bit underneath here. Just a little bit. So when I take a look, it has laid over the makeup really nicely. It hasn't broken anything down or disturbed the makeup at all, which I like. I don't feel like I lost any coverage. It does look really nice and smooth and like almost hydrating to the skin. Like you can notice that it almost plumps your skin up a little bit, which I really like. I love the way that it's looking on the skin and that it's feeling on the skin. It's super lightweight. It looks really nice. From that to that, like it just really flatters the skin. And it does give a very natural yet noticeable bronzy sun-kissed glow. Not really glow, but just like that like summery, like bronzy, like this is gonna be perfect for the summer, especially for those like lighter makeup days because it is so lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky or like, how sometimes liquid products, you would expect them to feel kind of sticky. Not at all. It soaks right into the makeup. So I'm happy. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let's actually just put a tiny bit on the nose. It would actually be nice on a brush as well, I feel. Obviously, I'd have to see, but you would be able to be a little more precise, especially if you're going in for contour. And it's actually much more pigmented than I thought it would be. But it blends out like a dream. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, and then I will be back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I have to say, I am obsessed with this bronzer. It is one of the most lightweight and undetectable yet beautiful bronzers. It's nice because it has the benefits of like a cream bronzer where it has that nice like creamy finish, melts into the foundation, yada, yada, yada. But it's so like undetectable. You know, it doesn't look heavy, thick, you know, the texture just blends right into the makeup. It's so lightweight and it's beautiful pigmentation. It's like the perfect amount for that natural yet noticeable bronzy. And it does really make the skin look nice and hydrated and healthy without looking glowy. You know, I feel like if you didn't set your face like I did, it may have a bit more of a glow than it does now. But if you set your face, then you can still get a matte, more of a matte finish, but it still has that kind of healthy sheen where it still just looks like your skin is really hydrated and healthy. So I'm really impressed, absolutely impressed with this. I think it's perfect, the shade for fair skin tones. It's like honestly perfect. It's warm without being orange. And so I feel like I can get away with using it as both contour and bronzer, especially if you're building it up to that heavier pigmentation like I did. I'm going to do a wear test. Because it's a liquid formula, I'm curious to see how it wears. You know, does it end up affecting the makeup type thing? So yeah, let's go ahead and see how this wears. I will be back at the end of the day to show you guys how this baby held up. Okay guys, so it has been 8 hours since I finished my makeup and the bronzer is still holding up strong. It hasn't faded at all. It hasn't made the makeup go funny. Everything's wore really beautifully together. So I ultimately am super impressed with the bronzer. Absolutely love the way that it applies, the way the formula melts into the makeup, how natural it looks, yet still how buildable it is. And I'm definitely going to be continuing to use it, and I recommend it for you guys as well. That's my final opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.